Central Grundy County in northeastern Illinois. West Central Will County in northeastern Illinois until 9 p.m. At 4:23 p.m., emergency management and river gauge reported an ice jam on the Kankakee River downstream of Williamson near Interstate 55 has broken up, causing flash flooding downstream. Hazard: flash flooding from an ice jam. Source: emergency management reported. Impact: flooding of areas near and downstream of the ice jam. The nearest downstream area is 7 acres. Flooding is occurring along the Kankakee River. A flash flood warning means rapid onset flooding. Personnel and people, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Turn around. Make flood deaths occur in vehicles. The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service.